Hello, dear student. I hope all of you are doing well. So, you know that in our previous sessions we have completed the exercise parts. That means the short answer type of questions and all that we have finished. And I hope all of you might have written those things in your book and notebooks too, and you have learned too. Today, in this session, we will try to discuss the answers of these comprehensive questions that are given there in your book. You can open the book with me. All of you can take out your one book and try to look at your page number 19. Okay, the questions are given there. You can see the questions from your book and try to learn the answers that are given by me here. Okay, so you may please open your book and get ready. Here you see I have written the questions, but I have written the question in a little bit different way. So the comprehension question number A, read the sentences and answer the question, and number 1, the whole statement is given there in your book, but I have not written the whole statement. Instead I have written only the first 2 or 3 words, and in the middle I have left the blank, and at last I have written last 2 or 3 words like that way. So in your book it is written, our emperor wants to meet Tenali Raman, but there is no need of writing the given statement or sentence. So instead of writing that full sentence or statement, you can write it in this dot 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 form. Okay, so you can write our emperor dot 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 dot, then at last you can write this last 2 words or 3 words, like that way you can write. So you can write that one if they are given in the quotation mark. So I think all of you know about the quotation mark. These are called the quotation mark. They are called inverted comma too. So you can write the first 2 or 3 words, then you can give 2 dot 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 there, and at last you can write in this way. I will want that all of you should learn to write in this way, because it is not necessary to write the whole sentences and wasting our time. Is it okay? So I hope all of you are understanding me. Now let us see the answers of the first question. You see, the first question is given in your book. It is written there. Who said these words and to whom? So our emperor wants to meet Tenali Raman. Who said these words? I have written out the answer. If you have written your answer for yourself, then you may please try to see it whether you have written it correctly or not. If you have not written correctly, you may check it. Otherwise, you may also write from your own mind, but in a correct way. Okay. So now see the answers I have written. The messenger said these words to Raja Krishna Deva Rai, the ruler of Vijayanagar. I think all of you can easily see this one and easily write it. Okay. Now let's go to the second question. What is written there? The question is, what was the name of the emperor who wanted to meet Tenali? Okay. So what was the name of the emperor? All of you know. So I have written the answer in this way. The name of the emperor who wanted to meet Tenali was Babur. Okay. I hope all of you are able to understand this thing. Next one, number C. The question is, what did the listener say to Tenali Raman after this? So you can write, after this, the listener said to Tenali Raman to go to Delhi with the messenger to meet the emperor. Okay, in this way you can write. So also you can write, after this, the listener ordered Tenali Raman to accompany the messenger to Delhi. Like that way also or to go to Delhi with the messenger. Like that way also you can write. Okay. So you are given freedom of writing from your own mind too. So there is no need of fearing, or no need of thinking that sir may accept this one or not. No, you may write from your own mind also. If you write correctly from your own mind, then I will be very happy. So please try to write it from your own mind also, if you are able to write them in a proper way. Okay. So let's go to this next question. The last question of this first number is number D. What was Tenali's response? So what was Tenali's response? In what way Tenali replied? That is what. Okay. So let us see. I have written, Tenali agreed to go there happily. So Tenali's response was positive and he agreed to go there happily. Okay, so you can write Tenali agreed to go there happily. This much you can write, and that is enough. Okay. In the same way, now the second part of that one, question number 2, is given there. You are every bit as intelligent and wise as I had heard. That is this statement given there, but I have written in that dotted form. Then you can see I have written it with inverted. You are every bit. Then after that one I have given dot dot dot. Then as I had heard. Then I have put that one into inverted comma. So all of you please try to learn to put that inverted comma too. Okay. I hope all of you can do in this way. Now you see the answers. Number 1 question or number A question is given, who said these words and to whom? So I have written who said these words is known to all of you, so you may also write from your own mind. Okay, so the answer will be Emperor Babur said these words to Tenali. This much you can write is enough. Okay, now look at this number B question is written. You see, number B is question is, where were the speaker and the listener at this time? So you can write, the speaker and the listener both were at an open place near the Yamuna river. Like that way you can write. Is not so? Okay. Now look at number C question. Why did the speaker call the person intelligent and wise? Okay. So the answer will be, the speaker called the person intelligent and wise because the speaker was made to be fooled. Okay. The speaker was made to be fooled thoroughly by the clever activities of the person. Okay. So like that way you can write. I hope all of you can do it. Next one, number D. What did the speaker do immediately after this? So immediately after this, I am reading out the answers. Immediately after this, the speaker took Tenali to the palace and gave him a lot of gifts. Is not so? So he showered him with a lot of gifts also. You can write, there is no problem. So you can change the wording wherever you are comfortable and you are more, whichever is good for you, you may change it. There is no problem. So all of you please try to write the answers from your own mind too, if it is possible. Otherwise you can copy down these answers from here and you may write it. Okay. So I hope all of you are doing well. So thank you very much for listening.